Hey everyone, the irresistible modern agricultural machinery. This lime pair has 2 rows of plowshares. First, lime chews pairs to turn up the soil. It's then handed to the 2 rows of gears at the rear to break up the raised soil. This allows for rapid soil loosening. Growing rheomes requires cutting the land. This machine can not only turn the soil but also cover the soil again. It's amazing. Super creative canal opening machine. After shoveling the ground cage open, it is convenient to align it for watering and irrigation. Mobile platform for growing vegetables. Puedes cultivar 16 hileras de vegetales a la vez. The cabbage harvest set is automatically harvesting cabbage setting truck. Automatically complete the loading work of single sweep through the positioning accessories at the front end of the tractor and the rear loading accessories. Harvest blueberries with a long slender comb. The nut harvester is harvesting hazelnuts. Then it is transported to the carriage by the conveyor belt above. Install an antique device in front of the tea picker. You can easily blow the harvested tea leaves into the plastic bag at the back. The lawnmower is using rotating rubber wheels to pull up weeds between vegetables, and it doesn't hurt the vegetables. Vineyard weeds are broken up by a soft brush on a rotating roller. The walking excavator gets off the trailer by moving 4 flexible support wheels. 4 support wheels can be used in the longitudinal direction. Horizontal and vertical adjustment allows him to operate in a variety of difficult-to-reach rough terrain. This tree digger uses 6 hydraulic frying shovels to hold trees and circumcut them for quick transplantation. Use rotation to chop wood quickly. The farmer put the tires side by side to overwhelm the wheat before winter to control its growth, increase cold resistance. A 4-wheel stack tractor works in a cornfield. The elevated body will not crush the corn seedlings. Such an advanced harvester. Look at the grapes hanging on the tree. After the vibration of the heavy pedals on the bottom of the car, it's all gone. This radish harvester is capable of harvesting 4,000 radishes per hour. The rice is cut down by the machine and automatically bundled into bundles. The flower harvester can easily cut off good-looking lavender shredded behind the scene, and it doesn't do any damage. This cane harvester is able to collect a whole row of cane at a time. Now, harvesting apples is so efficient you can pick a complete fruit tree by vibrating for 2 seconds. The bottom of the double-decker transport tractor is made in forklift style. It is more convenient to load and transport the whole box of apples. The honeycomb on the plank is harvested, and the process of cutting it off is very decompressive. This hydraulic wall easily blocks trees. It can also be cut and pruned in sections to remove excess branches. It turns out that mushrooms are harvested like this. Then they are shipped to the sorting area. These corn stalks are harvested and used to make feed for dairy cows. Licorice is rolled into the machine by rollers and then compressed into tight bales of licorice. Winter Ice and Snow Festival in Harbin. People come to the lake to harvest the lake ice. The peanut harvest will be uprooted. Flip it over and use the sun to dry it. In Pakistan, this is how peppers are harvested. The pumpkins are gathered together by the front roller and harvested. The small straw crusher rotates in reverse through 2 rollers. Feed the corn stalks into the crushing port. Let's take a look at a 1,000-handed Guani apple picker. All ripe apples cannot escape his palm. The quilt on these pillars is made using hydraulically actuated scraping tools. Quick collection. This drum is used to transport the dried corn into a thresher. Store after threshing. The turf was neatly cubed, then roll it up and ship it. The cotton picker has greatly improved picking efficiency. It can pick 6 types of cotton at a time. Extract aloe vera gel from the machine, wash the liquid and observe it. Whole bunches of grapes are left in the press to ferment into delicious wine. That's all for this edition. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time if you enjoyed it.